What's up? It's Kat, and I want to show you in today's video 5 steps how to improve your little thin crusty dusty lips into juicy big and luscious, and show you how to do that in just 5 simple steps. You don't need to go to get fillers done, you don't need to spend all that money, and if you follow my tips you'll definitely get very dramatic results and fast. First thing I like to do is I like to exfoliate my lips, try to get any like dead skin off, anything that is going to stick to your liquid lips and is not going to stay and look cute. So first thing I do is I exfoliate my lips with what I love. Drop it. First thing I like to do is I use this e.l.f. It's a lip exfoliate. It looks like this. It's sugar and cinnamon, I believe, and other stuff. It's easier. It's like a lipstick. Big coffee scrub. I just got this from Burlington, to be honest. Cheap girl hack. And it's this one you could just scoop out and exfoliate. I don't like using these because I feel like they tend to get messy and they don't actually take off the dead skin as much as I like. But that's also an option. So if you see, hopefully I ain't got no boogers. So let's go, I just moved around like that. I take my paper, and I don't have paper right now. Let me go get paper. Get these. Next step is really important. Can't tell what these are. These are Derma Rollers. I have 2 different sizes. This one's 0.25 and this one's 0.75. So for those of you who don't know what Derma Roller is, it's these little tiny microscopic needles, and what happens is when you're using it, wherever area you're using it to, because these are tiny little needles, you're making a microscopic cut into your skin. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't you're not gonna bleed, it's not uncomfortable. Essentially what happens is when you make the little cuts, your body signals and knows that, okay, we have a cut here, let's go send white blood cells and let's go heal that area. So when it does heal that area, it's a process of repairing your skin, and it's going to give it all the nutrients it needs. It starts producing collagen. My dog is just so rude. Do you want to pitter patter anymore? It's going to produce collagen. It's going to have a lot of benefits. You can do pretty much like a facelift if you use it every day. You do see drastic results. So what I like to do is I have 2 different sizes. You definitely 5 minutes. You have these little tiny cuts. Whatever you put onto your skin, whether it's anti-aging wrinkle cream or whatever it is, the serums that you put into your skin is going to actually penetrate the skin because it's going into those tiny cuts, making it... I just can't win. There's an airplane going, my dog is walking, like, does the world hate me today?
Sure. You get different types of angles, not to get in there. If you keep going sideways, it's going to irritate after a while. Just get really close. So, I like to do this.
The smaller one, and definitely go around on the lip line and make sure that area it's nice and plump. This is the product that is going to, wow, let me just pick my nose while I say that, right? Going to take your lips drastically to the next level. Not even kidding. If you want to skip all the other steps, that's fine. Don't listen to me. I'm not an expert, but this is the one thing you have to get to make your lips bigger regardless. It is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, because we want extreme. We did not come here to fuck around. So after you do the Derma Roller, this is what I like to apply after, because it's going to definitely seep into the lips, and this does sting on the lip line, because some people just put it on their lips, but definitely getting the lip line is what's going to accentuate your lips. This is like the main event. This is the start right here. Seconds to start kicking in and start plumping your lips. Just kissable, but my boyfriend just left, so I have nobody to kiss. Start to form bigger and just whew, it's starting to burn. Yee. I don't know what the hell is in here, and it just keeps getting bigger. So I guess this is kind of like a mini review too. This is amazing. Like, you need to get this product. Kiss someone, or if you kiss, like you just wipe the back of your hand, it's going to irritate that area because it's gonna plump that area. Trust me, I've learned by mistakes. Whew. Do you see it? This essentially will last, with the steps included, it will last throughout the whole day. But this is more of a humorous step. Especially with these 5, it will take about 10 minutes to get everything done. These will go down. It's not a permanent solution for life. Something temporary so you can enjoy some nice selfies. You can go out, you can kiss your boyfriend, you can kiss a cat, you can kiss your grandma, you can kiss whoever you want, and just feel confident in yourself. Another step you want to do is contour. Doesn't really matter, just take anything that you really like. I love using this very flat brush. It's everything that I'm using, it will be linked below. Shade, tap off, and what I like to do is go right under. So obviously this is like a known trick with lips, but also too, I have a very defined cupid's bow, so what I do is I just like going in here too. It'll just look like this part of your lips are plump, like just plumped up. Make sure that this is blended. This is my favorite nude, like. So it's a little pricey. I'm actually supposed to throw this away because I'm in the process of becoming vegan, and YSL does test on animals. But it's just so good and so expensive. A girl does not have the YouTube money to be spending. So just gonna let that dry first. Last and final step that I use is just gloss. So once your matte lip is dried, like you can see, I just put a gloss on top. In that day and age of where we wear glosses anymore, people love matte lipsticks, that Kylie lip girl. This gloss is going to give it that highlight and the center that you need. It's going to just make your lips look juicy and big and beautiful. So let's get in it. Oh, you see that already? I like a thick gloss. A glossy taco. For anyone who watches Christine, Simply Nailogical. It's okay. I like to do very old school, especially when you have a lot of gloss like this. Just take your finger, takes off all the excess, so you don't have, gunk in your teeth when you're smiling to the cuties outside with your new lips. Ready to kiss them? 5 tips that I have to make my lips look big and juicy and voluptuous. You don't have to follow these steps. Like I said, you can just use the Too Faced by itself. Everything else is pretty much just the extra step. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Show it to your friends, show it to your grandma, show it to your teacher, show it to whoever, so they can learn how to get beautiful juicy lips just like you. Subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. These juicy lips. What can I do? My boyfriend's not here.